Hi, good morning. Welcome back to Simple Science. I'm Miss Leslie, and today we're going to be doing that fun classic experiment, the baking soda and vinegar. And perhaps you've already done this one at home. You made like a big fizzy mess, and that's a lot of fun. Today we're going to add a balloon, and we're going to have our baking soda and vinegar reaction inflate this balloon. But before we get going with that, let me just point out to explain what's going on when you mix baking soda and vinegar. So when you mix baking soda and vinegar, you have, 2 plus 2 is 4, like a simple math problem, right? 2 plus 2 equals 4. And when chemists and scientists go to describe chemical reactions, they use a similar type of equation, a similar 2 plus 2 equals 4. So we're going to have vinegar plus baking soda, and instead of an equal sign, chemists use an arrow. Okay, we're just going to go with that. All right, so vinegar plus baking soda is going to make a type of salt, not table salt, so don't go trying to eat it afterwards. No. But it's a type of salt, and it's going to make some water. So so it's not going to be vinegary anymore. And then it's going to make CO2, which is the gas. And CO2 is the fizzy part. It's what makes it bubble. So it's going to release gas. So we have our baking soda right here, which I poured on a little bit of paper plate. And this is just an empty water bottle. And you don't need a whole lot. Hopefully that'll be enough. And if not, we're going to add some more. And then just pour vinegar. And I have our balloon ready. And what I'm going to do is when I add the vinegar, then I'm going to stretch the balloon over the top of the bottle. And then hopefully that'll be trapping our CO2 gas. And so we'll be able to see the balloon expand with CO2. Now, CO2, carbon dioxide, it's another gas that you breathe when you breathe out. So even though this balloon is filled, it's not going to be like a party balloon. It's not a helium balloon, so don't go breathing it in afterwards. No. Don't need to do that. Not for this one. Okay, all right, so let's get ready to add our vinegar and baking soda. Right. I'm just gonna get it good and going. I'm gonna add this quickly and let's see what happens. Oh, there we go. Let me stir it around. There we go, awesome. So you see our balloon has inflated, and if you add more baking soda and more vinegar, then your balloon will get bigger and bigger. So go ahead and ask your parents if you can try this at home and see for yourself. But here we are, we have some trapped CO2 gas. Oh, no, that's not coming off. There we go. So we have some trapped CO2 gas right here in this balloon. So you can see that when you add vinegar, which is a liquid, to our baking soda, which is a solid, you'll produce, and this is going to be some salty water, but again, don't go drinking it, and CO2 gas right here. So the balloon helps you trap what you couldn't see. All right, well, thank you so much for joining me today on Simple Science, and I hope to see you next week. All right, bye.